Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set notification sound and change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. What you have to do is just go to the settings first and go to sounds and vibration, then go to notification sound. Here select sim 1 and you can select a tone from system available tone. These are the system tones, just select any one. Here I select molecule. This is the notification sound now, and go back. So in sim 1, if any notification will be receiving, then you will get this molecule notification sound. If you want to change or set notification sound for sim 2, click on sim 2 here and select any tone here. I click on telegraph and go back. Yes, it is activated. So in this way you can easily set notification sound or change notification sound for your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.